everybody, it's Keith with Bob CNC. Welcome to Shop Talk, and as always I'm here next to my best friend Robert.
And I'm next to my best friend Keith, but I have a confession to make.
There's somebody else.
Yeah, you know, my best friend is really Pam, and your best friend is really Kathy. So when we say that, it's not really true, is it?
No, it's true.
It is true?
It's true.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I mean, there's a,
Then I'll stick with you. Here's my second best friend, Keith.
Well, Thanks for putting that on tape.
Right, yeah.
Kathy, oh gee, now I'm on the spot.
Anyway, what are we
now
talking
she's
about
got
today?
to be my friend.
She's your best friend.
Yeah, she is.
Okay.
All right, what are we talking about today? Well, last time we were talking about
my favorite software.
Yeah, which was, kind of boring.
Oh, okay. So we're going to talk about your favorite software.
Well, here's how I kind of want to set it up. Okay. Yours would be what?
Cam is my favorite software.
Okay. But now you're going to do design work.
I do boring design work, yeah.
No. You don't do
I sell machines. Yeah.
No, actually, marketing sells machines.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yes.
But you design a nice
machine.
Okay,
thank you.
But the deal is, what does that software cost for that design?
For mine?
Yeah.
$60. 59 actually. Under $60.
So what?
It's $59.
I'm not talking about Estocam.
Oh, Vectric Software?
No. I'm talking about design software that you would use for engineering.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, it's about $3,000 a seat, and that's
seat.
Yeah, that's for each person. Yeah.
Oh, I figured that was.
Because we're sitting down and we're
Yeah, I mean, only an engineer would say, yes, I'll take one seat, please.
Yeah, I don't know.
It makes no sense.
Yeah.
Okay, well the deal is, it's great software.
Yeah.
$3,000. It's really good software.
Yeah.
And you love it.
I do.
$3,000.
Yeah. Well, and that's cheap. I mean, some of your
it gets better.
solid modeling is like $20,000 and $30,000 a year. So yeah.
And anybody that uses that stuff, listening to this, would say, "Well, what would you expect, knothead?"
Yeah.
And
that's what I was thinking.
Well, I know you thought that way, our whole.
We're
not friends anymore.
Okay.
I can't design like you do.
Yeah.
If I understood all the.
If you could, you wouldn't be in marketing.
No, I have a real job, right? No, the deal is, I can't manipulate your software. I can't even use it.
Yeah. You've
given me dumbed down versions, and you say, "Oh, this works really great." I can't make it work.
Yeah.
I can't get it to do what I want it to do. It could be I am that dumb, but I can't do it.
You think differently. I'll give you that.
That's never a compliment.
No, it's different.
Okay, but the deal is, in order to make a CNC operate, you got to have G-code. And in order to have G-code, you've got to have CAM.
Yeah.
And to have CAM, you've got to have, you pretty much have to have CAD, unless you can operate a program like Inkscape, which is free.
Yeah. But it's still 2.5D.
No, and it's a great drawing program. So I've been told, by the way, I can't do anything in Inkscape, which would make more people realize, gee, that guy really doesn't have any.
He's got one software that he can use.
Yeah.
But he can use it.
No, it's why I like it. The reason I'm
what software do you like?
No, hang on. There's a story here, Bob.
Oh, you're trying to tell a story. Okay. There's a story
there
here.
There are people that are naturally artistic. Mm-hmm. My son can draw, he can paint, he can sculpt.
You have a lot of them in your family.
Yeah, and it all skipped me because I don't have that ability. Last time we did a remodeling project at home. Okay, I drew out the floor plan, which is pretty simple.
Yeah.
And Kathy says to me, "Well, how's the kitchen going to look when we're done?" I said, "You'll know when I'm done, because I can't draw it."
Yeah.
I have an idea of what I want to be able to do, but I just can't express it artistically.
Yeah.
So I'll be looking at a project that I see, just doing some searching on Google.
Okay.
Or be with Kathy at a store, and there'll be some doodad hanging on a wall. She's, "Hey, I really like that." Mm-hmm. I can't draw that.
Right.
I can't replicate it. But knowing what that thing looks like now,
right,
I can go to Vectric's well, I started with desktop and then went to pro, and now I've got Aspire.
Right.
And I've got all the tools I need to create those shapes, to weld them together, to manipulate text. That's the only thing. I've tried welding too. I suck at that. All right.
You can weld
Do you
Vectric.
feel good about yourself?
I do. Yeah.
So you don't have a lot of best friends, do you?
No.
This would explain why.
Probably. Okay. Now I'm ashamed.
But
See, I'm
yes,
I'm
but
hanging my head.
you won't change.
No, I'm not changing.
Okay. Well, the deal is you have a relatively inexpensive software, not cheap.
Right.
You're looking at about $3,500 to start.
Right.
And of course, with Aspire, you're getting up close to the $2,000.
Yeah.
But it is an investment that pays you back in what you're able to do when you lack all those fancy design skills.
I noticed the people that make guitars, not just the bodies, but
Right.
the necks and everything, V-carve.
Yep.
The people that do 3D relief carving, V-carve.
Yeah.
I mean, V-carve is I say this to customers all the time when they call. If you're going to do art kind of stuff or 3D relief carving, Vectric by far is the best software out there that you can do that.
Yeah.
For as far as popular.
And the benefit is Vectric itself has a whole host of tutorials and videos that are embedded in their website.
Yeah, and Keith's got one too. Check out our website.
No, well, you can, but once they won't be impressed.
I
But
was impressed.
yeah, that's because you know me. I was amazed he could do that. In fact, I got an email from the guy.
Yeah, he was amazed too.
And he doesn't know me.
Yeah.
He said, "I don't think I could ever do what you do," and I began praying for him.
You did.
I felt
Okay,
bad.
all right,
Yeah.
Okay.
But anyway, the thing is, you can really unleash, to use our tagline, you can really unleash your creativity with them, and you have a plethora of lots of support with them. You can go on YouTube and just do a search for Vectric, and you'll find any number of experts online, and you can watch their videos and just learn like crazy.
They have clip art,
Yep.
anywhere from
3D
Celtic to
models.
that you can add to your stuff too.
Yeah.
So you don't even. I mean, chances are, if you just look through their clip art, they're going to have something close to what you want anyway
Right.
to get started. So you don't even really have to start from scratch. So
Absolutely.
So it's a cool program.
So I just wanted to put in my pitch for Vectric,
Yeah.
and that was my pitch.
Keith's favorite software.
My favorite.
Vectric.
And you'll love it. You will love it. Bob guarantees it.
Garen?
Yes, you do.
Okay.
Yes. So anyway, guys, if you have any questions about software, or you've
If it's
got...
Vectric, I'll get you his email.
Yeah, but anyway, I can't. Go ahead. You have to finish. I'm all flustered now.
Really? That
Yeah.
was all it took? Anyway, guys, have any questions, get a hold of the help desk. Vectric Software, check it out. You
Yep.
can always try the free version
Yes.
to make sure it works for you.
Yes, that's what I did.
Yes, you did.
Yeah.